Alright, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group at Keller Williams. I am out here in beautiful Sugar Grove today. What a beautiful day. Anyway, my good friend Scott Wiley has a listing out here, and it is in Sugar Grove, 1323. What is the address? Oh, Scott will tell us. But we got 3,300 square feet, 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And let's see what the 1323 Cornell. Alright. Nice pond. And even behind the house, another nice pond. Regardless, let's check this thing out. Coming in the front door. I have a gimbal. I haven't figured out how to use it yet. So this is going to be shaky, but that's okay. So you turn to your right. Beautiful. Office space. That's the door of the basement. We'll hit that last. Half bath. Just a regular coat closet.
Yeah.
All right, let's go check out these knuckleheads. Look at the three amigos. We have Jacob. We have Chris. Rumor has it he's a rock star. And then we have our number one guy.
Oh, I know about that.
Scott Wiley. Scott.
Hello, everybody.
Can you tell us a little bit about your beautiful listing here?
Yeah, for sure. So this is a home built by Pulte. It's new construction. It's their model home here at Settlers Ridge, and they have it on the market to sell. So it's at 3,300 square feet. It has a deep pour basement with a plumb for another bathroom. It's a lookout, and 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage. I think the thing I like about this is that with the new construction, you don't typically get window treatments and the refrigerator. This includes washer and dryer, so there's a lot of the built-ins in the mudroom. A lot of things that are included in this model that you don't typically get with new construction. So I think it's a great value. It's listed at $479, and glad you guys are here.
All right, thank you. We're gonna just keep moseying around, and thank you too for being in my video as well. But anyway, Jacob, look at Jacob. He just wants to be in it. I gotta be in the shot. It's all about me.
Yeah, there's one other one.
All right, so looking out the back door. We're gonna sneak behind Chris here and check out the pantry. As Scott said, it's a ginormous pantry.
It's more decked out as far as like they have the crown.
Okay.
Everything is yeah, a little bit more upgraded. They've got like here, they've got that extra bar.
Oh yeah.
You know, like the refrigerated area.
And here's the mudroom.
But I talked to him. I said, "What showing?" He's like, "It's a ghost town." And I go,
So this is part of the stuff that Scott was pointing out earlier that is included.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Scott, right? Yeah. It's good to see you. Oh, well, I guess we're not going to be shaking hands.
I
I like how I put my hand on and took it back.
forced it back. I did it a ton.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Yeah.
We are obviously social distancing,
Shooting some
and
video.
sometimes we
and do a
forget.
little work. These are all the guys on my team.
Oh, okay. Right
So
on.
yeah, just shooting a bunch
That's
of
what I'm
video.
saying. I saw the guy outside. I'm like, and I recognize you. I'm like, okay. I know.
Yeah. Yeah. You know, and I
We gotta hurry, guys. We're getting in trouble.
automated system,
Yeah.
and that goes to Nancy still. I'm like, I gotta.
Oh,
Like,
really?
yeah, just so you know, when we schedule it, that you guys
Yeah.
know somebody's coming in.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Absolutely.
And it had been going to Jonathan.
You met Kristen.
Yeah, we're gonna head upstairs.
I've not met Kristen.
Okay, well, she'll be here in a little bit.
Oh, perfect. Okay, cool. If I got an 11 o'clock open Batavia, but I'll swing back for.
Gonna turn left.
Oh, yeah, she may not be here till 10:30.
So when we turn left, coming up the stairs,
Yeah, I mentioned
one of the kids' bedrooms. Walk-in closet for one of the kids. Another one. Same concept. Nice big walk-in closet. Excuse me. View out the back. Just to give you an idea of where we are. Cool dude. Promotion for Pulte. Okay. Kids bath. Nice flooring. We're gonna hit that in a minute. So, oh, when we came up the stairs, little family were married. Another closet. Another kids' room. These are big rooms. Of course, you're paying $479, so it makes sense, but still, just so you have an idea what that buys. Again, we're at Scott Wiley's listing of a model for Pulte Builders, and it's listed at $479. We're in Sugar Grove, 3,300 square feet. By the way, this is the upstairs washroom and dryer. I say upstairs, but that's where it's located. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage. Just a huge house. We have an unfinished basement, but it's full. Beautiful lake views. It's on a corner. Hey, so there's a beautiful mirror. So we're gonna go to the right. You just barely saw me. Master bath. So we have 2 sinks, his and her. Windows. Individual tub. Soaker tub. Really a huge individual shower. The potty's all by itself. And then we go straight. It's the walk-in closet. Look how big this thing is. Huge. All right. We are going to go out and we're going to check out the basement. Back down the stairs.
Okay. All the way from over to the Carolinas and then all the way north to like Massachusetts. All those divisions.
Okay. At
First week of April, they weren't seen. Like I remember jumped.
Look,
everybody else is still kind of.
I wore nice shoes and nice pants today.
And now they
That never happens.
And
All right, heading down to the basement. This stuff on the right, it's covering the insulation. So Marilee and I had our house built years ago. They didn't have that. Matter of fact, we had to put in our own insulation. This is all your electricals, HVAC. This is Scott was telling us about the roughed-in. How big this is. Let's go see what our sign says over here. And Scott says it comes with full warranties. All right, so this is Kirk Clements with Graham Real Estate Group. Again, we are over at, gee, what is a whole nother bedroom back here almost, or a whole nother room. But we are over in Sugar Grove at 1323 Cornell, 479, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage, 3,300 square feet. All right, thanks guys.